Java fern. Java fern can thrive in a variety of water conditions, making it very hardy and hence very ideal for beginners. Java fern grow healthy if we provide low-medium lighting, nutrient-rich substrate, and little fertilization. Java fern's rhizome is a semi-rigid stem, and as it can rot when placed in the substrate, better to be anchored on driftwood or rock. Amazon sword. Amazon sword plant is originated from the beautiful Amazon River basin, and so its name. Few different types of Amazon sword are available, and most of them are fairly hardy. They have a brilliant green color with broad, sometimes elongated leaves that grow vertically. Moderate to high lighting levels required for Amazon sword for healthy growth. Hornwort. The hornwort plant is very ideal for planted tanks and aquascaping, especially for beginners. Hornwort looks beautiful and has a very unique look due to its horn-like needles. Hornwort is scientifically known as Ceratophyllum demersum, and it can grow up to 24 inches. Hornwort is a fast grower and can be grown floating or rooted in the aquarium under medium lighting conditions. Dwarf Sagittaria. The dwarf Sagittaria, Sagittaria subulata, is a commonly available, hardy aquatic plant that is perfect for beginners. It is very easy to care dwarf Sagittaria with medium lighting and 6.5 to 7.5 pH. Dwarf Sagittaria propagates through producing runners, which can be pinched off and planted in the substrate. Java moss. Java moss or Singapore moss is a species of moss native to Asia. Java moss can grow up to 4 inches. They will thrive in low to medium light. Java moss can make your aquarium look amazingly beautiful. Java moss can be attached to the surfaces of rocks, driftwood, or mesh pads and be trimmed as needed to maintain their shape and prevent overgrowth. The network of growth creates prime habitat for small shrimp and baby fish, but also creates excellent contrast with plants that grow vertically. Vallisneria. Vallisneria is a beginner-friendly aquatic plant. It's an easy plant that grows well without much bright lights and CO2. Vallisneria is known for its long, slender leaves that create a seagrass vibe in your planted tank. Vallisneria is very ideal as background plant. It's a plant that does great in either sand or fine gravel. This plant propagates through runners, which it shoots along the substrate. Anubias. Anubias is a freshwater aquarium plant that is known for its hardy nature, slow growth rate, and easy care requirements. Anubias plants have thick, dark green leaves. Anubias plants are able to suck nutrients straight from the aquarium water. Anubias should be attached to driftwood or rocks via the rhizome instead of being planted in the substrate. Different types of anubias available, and most of them are ideal for beginners. Ludwiga. Ludwiga can be good selection for colorful planted aquarium. It is having red color. It can be used as mid-ground or background plant and will grow vertically to heights of 12 inches. High lighting levels, high nitrate and phosphate levels will help to achieve the brighter reds. Cryptocoryne. Different types of cryptocoryne plants are available. The cool thing about Cryptocoryne sp. is the range of coloration, leaf shapes, and growth patterns. Crypts can grow without CO2 injection, faster growth seen when CO2 is added regularly. They are generally easy to maintain, take care to provide ideal growing conditions as crypts can be delicate. They prefer low to moderate lighting, and too much light can cause algae and damage the fragile leaves. Bacopa caroliniana. The leaves of Bacopa caroliniana are succulent and are relatively thick. Leaves are oblanceolate and are arranged oppositely on the stem. The flowers are blue, with 5 petals. It grows to 50-100 cm, 20-39 in. It grows easily in the aquarium. The color of the leaves will vary, depending on the amount of light. Anacharys. An Anacharys plant is one of the more readily available and popular plants which can be a good choice for hobbyists keeping low-tech community tanks. Anacharys has a reputation of being adaptable to a wide range of water conditions. An Anacharys plant may be called Brazilian waterweed, or Elodia. An Anacharys plant does well under moderate light. Rhodula rotundifolia. Rhodula rotundifolia is a fast-growing stem plant used in decorating the midground and background of planted tanks. It has a vibrant green and reddish coloration, which creates a visually appealing impression in aquariums. It is undemanding, tolerant of a wide range of water parameters, and finally it is easy to grow and maintain. Indian waterweed. Indian waterweed, or Hygrophila polysperma, is an aquatic plant in the family Acanthaceae, which is native to India and South Asian countries. It is easy to grow and they grow faster. The leaves turn a shade of pink or orange as they grow closer to the light source. The leaves are elliptic to oblong, light green, sparsely hairy, and usually broader towards the tip. Christmas moss. Christmas moss is very ideal breeding tank. Their fluffy fronds look like little Christmas trees and provide excellent cover for baby fish and shrimp. Aquascapers often tie them to rocks and driftwood in order to imitate the look of an overgrown, moss-covered forest. The plant grows slowly, but it does cover quite a lot of ground if allowed to grow unobstructed. Dwarf baby tears. Dwarf hairgrass, Eleocharis sp., is a popular freshwater aquarium plant because of its short grass-like growth pattern that serves as an excellent ground cover. The dwarf hairgrass plants are bright green aquatic plants with long grass-like pointed leaves. It is one of the most commonly used carpeting plants used in aquariums that resemble seaweed-like appearance. They are easy to grow and require very little maintenance.